The best free AI tools for YouTube in 2026. I tested 8 platforms and rated each one. Subscribe now to stay up to date with the full review.
Claude AI by Kuaishu is a powerful Chinese neural network. Free, 5-second 720p clips of text or photos.
Enter text, and Kling renders a physically accurate video. Up to 3 free clips per day. No registration required.
Free, 166 credits upon registration, 3 generations per day. 1 5-second standard clip times 10 credits. Claude AI T, 7.0 by 10. Good generation quality, but short clips and a Chinese interface lower the score.
Pixverse V3.5 generates one scene in 8 different styles simultaneously. Anime, realism, watercolor, cyberpunk, TESS for free.
4 seconds to generate, fastest in its class. Studio Ghibli level anime style. Pixverse just flies. 80 credits per day, 10 clips of 8 seconds each. Fastest generation, 4 seconds. All styles are free. Pixverse Wall, 7.5 to 10. Episode speed record 4 seconds. 8 free styles, perfect for anime and experimentation. Runway Gen 3 Alpha is a Hollywood-level neural network. 6 simultaneous generations, Motion Brush and Video FX are available for free. Motion Brush. Paint on a photo where you want movement. Water flows, the sky floats, the grass sways. Magic. 125 credits per week is 12 clips of 4 seconds each. No commercial use and a watermark. Runway Gen 3 Night is 7.6 by 10. Hollywood quality generation, but only 125 credits and no commercial use.
Hailu AI by Minimax is the only free tool with director mode. Shoot multi-scene movies like a pro.
Upload a single photo of a character and Hailu keeps their face consistent across 9 different scenes with 98.4% accuracy. 600 credits upon registration, $20 per day. 1 6-second clip costs 10 credits. Director mode costs 50 credits. Hailu AI of 7.9 by 10. Director mode and character consistency make it ideal for narrative YouTube stories. Pika 2.2 is a creative video lab. Peak effects, lip sync, clip enhancement, all free online. Pick Effects Cow, 14 physics effects, melting, exploding, blowing a wall. Simply choose an effect and upload a photo. 150 credits per month. 30 standard clips or 18 pick effects. No daily limit, you can use them all at once.
Pika Palin, 8.0 to 10. Best-in-class creative effects. Perfect for YouTube shorts and product demo videos.
Luma Dream Machine Ray 2, and it photorealistic video that's indistinguishable from real footage. Free. Luma gives you 6 cinematic camera moves: dolly, orbit, crane, tilt. Full control for free. 30 free generations per month. Each is a 5-second HD clip with camera movement. There's a queue on the free plan.
Luma Dream Machine, 8.4 out of 10. The highest photorealism in the class, 9.5 out of 10. A top choice for cinematic B-roll.
ByteDance's C-Dance 2.0 is the first neural network that keeps a single character consistent for 20 seconds.
20 seconds versus 4 to 5 seconds for competitors. C-Dance generates full-fledged multi-scene stories for free.
The only free tool with 1080p HD output. No quality reduction. C-Dance doesn't skimp on freebies.
C-Dance 2.0 tied, 8.8 by 10. Silver prize. Best for single-character narrative YouTube stories.
CapCut AI is the absolute champion. 12 tools in one free app. No competitor comes close.
Idea, script, voiceover, editing of formats, publishing. The full cycle in 10 minutes. Only CapCut does it for free.
Kling 7.0, Runway 7.6, Pika 8.0, Luma 8.4, C-Dance 8.8, and CapCut Tinus 9.4. One winner, no doubt about it.
CapCut AI 9.4 Gold Champion, the only free app with full AI-powered YouTube video production.
Links to all free platforms, CapCut AI, Runway AI, Kling AI, etc., are in the description and pinned comment below this video. A complete faceless YouTube video devs script, voice, visuals, editing, and SEO pipe generated almost entirely through AI-assisted production workflows. The workflow is simple. Provide a topic, let the AI-driven pipeline handle production, and receive a finished faceless YouTube video ready to publish. Claude Code is an autonomous artificial intelligence system that handles everything from resource creation to coordinating all production tasks. The system combines research, script writing, editing, and SEO into a single AI-powered workflow, turning a simple idea into a publishable video. The workflow begins with a single request: topic, target audience, and tone. From there, the entire process is processed automatically until the video is ready.
Claude Code allows you to organize the research process by collecting sources, key information, and structuring content much faster than with manual search.
Claude Code can generate structured scripts with pacing, emotional flow, and retention-focused storytelling built directly into the first draft.
Claude Code can coordinate tools like ElevenLabs, Suno, and Claude AI in parallel, automating large parts of the content creation workflow.
The system can automatically assemble voiceover, visuals, music, and scene timing into a finished edit CAF, dramatically reducing manual production work.
The real power is not just the workflow itself. It is the prompt structure that makes the entire AI production pipeline run reliably from start to finish.
The main command module defines the AI workflow, production stages, tool integration, quality standards, and error handling. Claude Code can also generate titles, descriptions, tags, chapters, thumbnail hooks, and pinned comments automatically from the finished script. From one request to a finished, faceless YouTube video in 30 minutes, including research, editing, and SEO optimization.
This terminal output demonstrates the actual content creation process: searching for information, organizing files, and assembling videos without manual intervention.
As a result, the finished videos consistently demonstrate high script quality, realistic voice acting, visual design, synchronization, and rhythm.
30 days of AI-powered channel development resulted in dozens of videos, significant audience growth, and thousands of subscribers.
Compared to production costs, a fully automated AI-powered workflow is significantly cheaper, providing much higher publishing speeds for content creators.
System limitations: occasional API crashes, scripts requiring human review, and some visual inconsistencies requiring manual correction before publication.
A single operator can manage multiple AI production workflows at once, enabling a publishing scale that traditionally required an entire content production team.
Using AI in content production requires transparency in relationships with audiences, thorough fact-checking, and clear delineation of content. The role is changing. Instead of the traditional content creator, there is now a creative director who focuses on strategy, quality control, and targeting. A full suite of content creation tools, including Claude Code, Claude, ElevenLabs, Suno, Claude AI, Midjourney, are now available in free versions. 4.5 out of 5. An AI-driven production workflow enables independent creators to create and scale content for YouTube.
The description and pinned comment contain the necessary neural networks to start creating YouTube content using artificial intelligence today.
The system continues to work in the background, conducting research, writing texts, generating materials, editing videos, and optimizing SEO.
Most YouTube niches are already dead, but 5 specific ones are growing faster than the algorithm can fill them right now in 2026.
5 strict rules: no camera, no microphone, no editing, no stock footage, only AI tools from the very first idea to the final published video.
I gave Claude one task: find me a niche with high search volume, low competition, and full AI automation potential. The answer came in 60 seconds flat.
Claude wrote the entire script in 11 minutes. The introduction, the plot arc, open loops, emotional peaks, optimization and retention. Claude wrote the complete script in 11 minutes. Hook, narrative arc, open loops, emotional peaks, retention optimization built directly into the structure from the beginning. ElevenLabs generated a voice indistinguishable from human narration. 3 people I showed it to genuinely could not tell it was AI at all. Suno AI generated the intro music and background score in under 2 minutes. Custom, royalty-free, perfectly timed to the emotional arc of the script automatically. Midjourney generated every image. Claude AI generated every video clip. Not 1 second of real camera footage appears anywhere in the entire finished video on YouTube. The AI assembled the complete edit automatically. Cuts, transitions, music sync, text overlays, the entire video edited. I have not told you what happened after I published the video yet, and the results genuinely broke every single expectation I had going into this experiment.
Midjourney built the thumbnail. Claude wrote the hook text. A CTR prediction algorithm selected the winning combination before I published anything at all to anyone.
Claude generated the title, description, tags, and chapters. A complete YouTube SEO package created in under 4 minutes from absolute scratch with zero manual input.
23 hours and 47 minutes after starting with nothing bid. Complete channel, video, and full SEO package ready. 1 button left to press before the world could see it.
And the first 2 hours Tao, complete silence. 0 views, 0 impressions. The specific anxiety of waiting. Hour 3 Piolan. The first impressions appeared. Then clicks. Then viewers watching.
24 hours, 4,847 views, 7.2% CTR, 312 new subscribers. 5 AI tools, 1 complete production pipeline, Claude, ElevenLabs, Suno, Midjourney, Kling. Total cost for the entire first video tape under $35 completely and nothing more.
3 things failed. Voice pacing, 1 visual scene, the first thumbnail prediction. AI still needs a human with real judgment to steer it through problems when they inevitably occur.
1 video per week needs 4 hours of human time. Daily publishing needs 12. AI makes YouTube channel scaling genuinely accessible to a single person working.
The honest question this experiment raises too. If AI writes, voices, films, and edits everything culps, what role did the human creator actually play in any of this?
The human created the vision, made every judgment call, took full responsibility for quality, understood the audience. AI executed everything. 30 days later, 127,000 views, 4,291 subscribers, 8 videos, all created entirely with AI tools. It works completely. A full YouTube channel built entirely with AI in under 24 hours that generated real views and real subscribers from.
Every AI tool I used is linked in the description and pinned comment below this video right now. All 5 tools. Start your own AI YouTube channel today.